Workhorse, LordsTown Motors, and XL Fleet are the three EV stocks you should be looking at for this week. What's up, guys? It's Big Finance here. It's Monday, and I got some EV stocks for you guys that you guys should be watching this week, because I guarantee you they're going to have some growth in them as long as the stock market doesn't go down like it did last week. So let's get started, but before we do, please hit the juicy like button, and if you're new, please hit the subscribe button. It helps out the channel a lot, and let's get into it. So Workhorse, the biggest part of my portfolio, was down 20% last week at a negative of $6.09. All I gotta say, last week was just a trend of going downhill for almost every company. You're going to see that in every company I show, it went down this week. And then some of them may have regained back, but that's rare. So Workhorse was at a top of $30 Monday. Off a great Friday, we had a weekend to just look at our portfolios and see them almost, for me, almost 100% up. Just see that, it was so great. And then Tuesday hit, a lot of news articles came out on a estimate of 1 million jobs, or a little bit under 1 million jobs were lost the week before this. So it kept on dropping. Wednesday was as bad as Tuesday, dropped, and then Thursday it started off badly. It started to regain itself, and then Friday it kept on regaining itself, and it kept on just going up. So I'm expecting Workhorse to rebound itself with a USP contract hopefully being set at the end of this month. That only gives it like a whole week, somewhere around there. So we're in around a week for the USP contract to be announced. A little bit less. And this is going to be big, because if Workhorse can win a couple $1 billion of this contract, they are going to easily have this stock go up to 50, maybe even $60 in the next month or two. So, if you didn't buy your shares when it was on the drop on Thursday, kind of unfortunate, but I don't think it's too late to buy Workhorse now. If it sticks around the $24 mark, as long as it doesn't go above $27, I'm pretty sure this stock is going to be a buy. I bought a couple more shares of Workhorse Friday, so I bought it Thursday, but I waited thinking it was going to go down a little bit more. Totally wrong there, but still, it's on sale in my opinion, so you should buy it right now. You should buy some Workhorse stock right now. Even if you already own some, buy some more. This is a great investment right here, and I can see the stock go back to $30. So even if it doesn't go all the way up to $50, still a $6 margin or 20% in 2 weeks, that is not bad if you buy tons of shares. And then here on Investor's Place is saying that when it fell with the market, it's creating a attractive buying opportunity. As I said, it was at $30. It dropped down to about $21, $23. If you bought then, good job. You know what you're doing, because we know Workhorse is going to go up. And if they win the contract, they're going to go up even more. And most likely they're going to win the contract. With California switching to renewable energy by 2035, the USPS is just going to have electric vehicles. They want to stay cleaner. They said they want something with low maintenance, and Workhorse is the best option for all of them. Yeah, they're probably not going to get the full contract, but they're going to get the majority in my opinion. And then here, LordsTown Motors. It hit its high on Monday at $31.46, but then with the jobs loss, it kept on going down, and it even went down to below $20. That is worse than Workhorse. It went down more. It went down about 30%. But now it has regained itself, and it's back around where Workhorse is at $24. I bought some Friday, and I gotta say that was great for me. Smart idea for me, because I think it's gonna go back, especially with the 40,000 confirmed pre-orders, and as well as finally showed the interior Friday as well when I bought it. So I'm expecting the stock to be like Workhorse again, go up to $30, maybe even $40 or $50, especially with the merge. So if you haven't bought any LordsTown Motors stock, buy it like I did. I didn't have any in because I saw it was keep on going up, and I thought it was too late to the party. Well, luckily it came down. That was just a lucky part for me, and I bought it at about $23 each. So if you don't have any Lordstown Motors stock, get it now. Buy it now. Just buy. Don't make it the majority of your portfolio, but make it a big amount because this stock is probably going to go back up to $20 or $30 easily in the next week or two. And then here, Lordstown Motors shows electric trucks interior and confirms the 40,000 pre-orders. Here saying the received 40,000 pre-orders are confirmed and they are going to be starting delivery in the next summer of 2021. And then as well it shows interiors of the pictures as of here. So in my opinion this looks pretty good. I like everything. The one thing is it looks like they're using Apple technologies for their screens because these apps look the exact same as Apple. They may create their own, but right now they're looking like they're using iOS. So if you don't like iOS, this may not be a truck for you, but still, it's still gonna be good. Looks like they create their own app for it, so that may be a way, like Tesla app. You don't like your car, you can start it, all of that with it. But as well, most of the pre-orders were by companies, so those are most likely going to go through. And with the 40,000 pre-orders, I'm expecting all 40,000 pre-orders to be done by first quarter of 2022 when all the pre-orders are delivered and then they start selling them, like when people who didn't pre-order can finally buy them. So yeah, I'm expecting big things from this company, expecting the price to go up to $40-$50 in the next month. So be looking at this and just buy it. Like there's no bad reason to buy it. They're gonna have sales by late summer next year, so just buy and hold it. If you wait a year with this stock, you could have 100% plus percent on your money. And then last one is XL Fleet. I know we're doing a lot of electric companies today. Promise Wednesday we're gonna have something that isn't electric. Promise you. But here for PIC investment, it was doing good all week. It didn't plummet as much until Thursday, where it then went down about 15%. Thursday was the really bad day for them, but other than Thursday, when I bought some stocks at the end at $11, which was good. And then Friday it just regained itself. So Thursday was the only bad day. I'm thinking XL Fleet is probably going to go back up to the $13 mark range around then for a little bit longer until XL Fleet does the merge or gets closer to the merge day. Or maybe I'll just follow what Lordstown Motors did and just go up to $20 in the next month or two. So just be looking at this. If you don't have any shares in it, I would highly suggest to buy it. But remember guys, before you make any purchases, make sure to do your own research. Don't just take it right out of my mouth. Do your own research. Make sure you know what you're doing, and then if you still think it's a good idea, buy. And then here on Market Realist is saying XL Fleet is sitting on 12-month orders with $220 million in orders. Last year's revenue was $2.2 million, which I like to see. And then it says this year is right now at $21 million. And next year it has an estimate of $75 million. If they can carry out all those orders and get those profit range, then I can see their stock going up to $20-$30 up there with Workhorse and Lordstown Motors. All you have to do is just wait a little time and you'll get there. You'll see that profit margin. You'll see 100% plus profit margin in the next couple months, maybe a year. But these are short-term investments. This isn't like you invest now and then you wait 10 years and then it skyrockets. No, this is more of a short-term. But that is if everything goes through. XL Fleet makes these promises of orders and makes this average revenue or expected revenue. If it does come through, I could see XL Fleet going up there to $20, $30, $40 even. And then for when XL Fleet is going public, it's not 100% known, but it is known that it will happen somewhere in the fourth quarter of 2020. So be looking at that. If you haven't bought any yet, buy now and hold on to it, because when this merge happens, I can expect the stock to go up. And then when it makes its orders and it makes its like the revenue that it says it's supposed to get, I can see the stock to keep on rising. So make sure to be paying close attention to this stock like I will be. And this is just a good overall stock in my opinion. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell notification if you want, and stay tuned for Wednesday when I talk about a company that I think could reach up to $30. Right now I'm in the research and making up the video. Thank you for watching.